In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make calendar aesthetic in Google Calendar. We'll give your calendar a clean, personalized look by adding an emoji to the calendar name and choosing a custom color that fits your vibe. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. On the left-hand side, you'll see the list of calendars tied to your account. Find the specific calendar you want to style. Hover over its name and click the three dots that appear next to it. From that menu, choose Settings and Sharing. This opens the settings page just for that calendar. At the top, you'll see the calendar's name. Click into the name field to personalize it. To add an emoji on Windows, press and hold the Windows key and tap the period key. That opens the emoji picker right where your cursor is. Choose something that represents the calendar's purpose. Maybe a briefcase for work, a dumbbell for workouts, or a sparkle for personal plans. Keep it simple so it stays readable in the sidebar. After you select your emoji and adjust the name, there's nothing extra you need to do here. Google Calendar saves these changes automatically. When you're done, head back to the main calendar view. Now let's add a color that matches your style. In the left panel, return to that same calendar, click the three dots again, and you'll see a color palette. You can pick one of the preset colors, or for a truly aesthetic touch, click the plus button to create a custom color. In the custom color window, drag the selector to find a hue you love, then fine-tune the shade and brightness so events are easy to read against your background. If you have a brand or theme color, you can paste its hex code here as well. Aim for enough contrast so the event titles pop, especially if you use dark mode or switch views often. When you're satisfied with the preview, click Save. Back in the calendar, your events on that calendar will immediately adopt the new color, and the emoji will appear next to the calendar name in the sidebar. If you manage multiple calendars, repeat this same process to create a cohesive palette. Soft, related tones for personal calendars and bolder colors for high-priority ones work great. That's it. You've added personality and clarity to your Google Calendar without clutter. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly aesthetic schedule.